Enterprise Singapore and the Singapore Business Federation are urging companies to start developing continuity plans as the Wuhan virus continues to spread worldwide. Even as companies brace themselves for any potential business impact, some economists are downgrading growth prospects for the region. Now, as Michelle Teo finds out, business leaders are saying that Singapore firms are better prepared for such a crisis than before.
The spread of the Wuhan virus has pushed think tanks like ASEAN+3 to downgrade its growth forecast for the region. They believe Singapore's growth outlook this year will fall from 1.7% to 1.4%. That's because the flow of Chinese tourists to Singapore may start to dwindle if the Wuhan virus continues to spread.
Tourism contributes about 4 percentage points to GDP, directly, and indirectly maybe another 1 or 2 percentage points. We are now expecting slower growth in China. That will also impact China, Singapore and the region through lower imports, right? So our export to China will be reduced by a significant but small margin, and that could then affect the Singapore economy.
The expected economic slowdown is why Enterprise Singapore and the Singapore Business Federation are working on a business continuity guide. It's to help firms maintain operational efficiencies. The guide will cover issues such as business travel. It's advising to defer all non-essential travel to mainland China and avoid all travel to Hubei province, where the outbreak originated.
Businesses must look at this particular plan and also have their own contingency plan ready. The contingency plan would include breaking the office up and the business operations so that they can work in team, people can telecommute and things like that. So have those contingencies drawn up early and ready in case the situation worsens.
Still, business leaders believe that Singapore firms with a presence in China are better positioned to manage these risks. That's because these companies can rely on operations outside of China for the short term. But firms are still taking a wait-and-see approach for the longer term.
Right now, the Chinese government announced, the bank, the businesses, the resume to start work in February the 10th. So I think everybody hoping that in 10 days' time there will be some good news, and I think until then we can see how long they're going to wait.
The Business Continuity Guide is expected to be published soon.